Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this video we want to start to move our head a little bit. But obviously not our own head, but the head of Git. As I told you in the previous video, we are able to move the head to every point in our Git history we like. And since we have left our repository, I just added a few more commits to show you which impact this has if we have the head from one commit to another commit. And to see which commit I have done, we just go to the terminal right now, and I will introduce you to a command called git log. And the git log command will show you a list of all commits you have done so far. You also see that the head points to the master branch that we heard in the previous video, and that the master branch points to a commit, and this is the latest commit. And you can see there are a few of them. I created just a bunch of text files, and each of those commits has a different hash code. You can also see that each commit contains the author of the commit and also the date when the commit was created. If you want to have a more compact view to all commits that you have done, you can also add a parameter to git log called git log --one line. And this will just have a shorter view for you, displaying the short version of the hash code, the branch, and also the commit message. And now I want to move the head from our latest commit to its parent commit, where we created the text file f. And the expected outcome of moving this head to the other commit is that we shall not be able to see the create g.txt anymore. To have this in the view, I just open the Explorer for it. I think this is a better visualization of this. And I put this window to the left, and I put the terminal to the right. And now when I want to just switch from the master branch to another commit with my head, I need to simply copy this commit hash, and then I need to use a command called git checkout, and then I need to insert the commit hash and press enter. And now you can see on the left side that the file g.txt is gone, since we are at a point on the time where g.txt does not exist. And if you read through the output of the terminal on the right side here, you will see that we are not on the master branch anymore, but therefore we the head points to a certain commit hash. There's just a warning here. Git tells us that we are in a state called detached head state, and if we want to make some changes here, that we may check out a new branch on this point. But we come to this in a video later on. We now just want to see the impact of moving the head around. And to make this a little bit more obvious, I copy the commit hash of our very first commit, and I repeat checking out another commit hash on that point. And now you can see that all files except of a.txt are completely gone. But no worries, our work is not lost in this point, because we can go back to our master branch at every time. And to do this, we just need to pass the branch name to the checkout command, and this will bring us back to our master branch. So let me do this. Git checkout master, and now you see that all files are back again. So this feature allows you to travel back in time to analyze different states of your working directory, and you may understand in a good way if some bugs occur or if something doesn't work as expected, you can go through each step in your history and have a look on what went wrong or what you want to improve or something like this. And yeah, this is moving the head around by just passing the branch name or the commit hash code, and hopefully you find this video very useful and we see us in the next lesson. By the way, if you still have any question about the video or if you have any further question, please do not hesitate to ask me and leave me a comment below. Thank you.